The next steps are to delete NAT Gateway and Internet Gateway. Select NAT Gateway on the left pane. We have just one NAT Gateway and no filter that needs to select for the correct one. Go to the Action drop menu tab and select the Delete NAT Gateway option. We can see now notification that NAT Gateway will be deleted permanently and can't be recovered later. Because of that, we need to confirm deletion by typing delete. My comment on this is that we cannot recover the NAT Gateway, but we can create a new one at any time. Hello from TheCloudsGuru. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the comprehensive process of deleting a VPC and its associated resources on the AWS Console. Beginning with the inspection of our active VPC, we will methodically remove routes, NAT and Internet gateways, subnets, and finally, the VPC itself. Pay close attention, as we also address potential hiccups and offer precautions to ensure smooth and error-free deletions. We are in the AWS VPC Console window now. As you can see, VPC is available in the console. Our VPC resources include 2 private and 2 public subnets in availability zone A and B, Internet Gateway attached to the VPC, NAT Gateway in public subnet A. Each subnet has attached a dedicated route table. 2 public subnets have attached 1 knuckle. And another 1 knuckle has been attached to 2 private subnets. Go to the VPC console and open from the left pane route tables. The first step is to remove all routes with targets Internet Gateway and NAT Gateway. We pasted the VPC ID in the search dialog box for us to see the details of the route tables being created. Select Route Table Public A. Select the Routes tab, and then press Edit Routes. In the Edit Routes window, press the Remove button with route 0.0.0.0/0, Target Internet Gateway. And save changes. We have successfully updated routes. Double-check Route Table Public A. We can see just the local route. That's what we have planned. Select Route Table Private B and go to the tab Routes. We can see 2 routes. 1 default with target NAT Gateway and local route 10.10.0.0/16. Press the Edit Routes button. And we are in the Edit Routes window now. In the Edit Routes section with the default route, press the Remove button and save changes. Whenever we land in the route tables window, we must do a trick with the VPC ID. This prevents us from making mistakes and removing routes from production route tables. Select Route Table Private A and go to the tab Routes. We need to do the same steps as before. Press the Edit Routes button. We are in the Edit Routes window. In the Edit Routes section with the default route pointing to NAT Gateway, press the Remove button and save changes. Let's go to the Route Tables window. Select the last route, Route Table Public B. In the Routes tab, press the Edit Routes button. In the Edit Routes section with the default route pointing to Internet Gateway, press the Remove button and save changes. The next steps are to delete NAT Gateway and Internet Gateway. Select NAT Gateway on the left pane. We have just one NAT Gateway and no filter that needs to select for the correct one. Go to the Action drop menu tab and select the Delete NAT Gateway option. We can see now notification that NAT Gateway will be deleted permanently and can't be recovered later. Because of that, we need to confirm deletion by typing delete. My comment on this is that we cannot recover the NAT Gateway, but we can create a new one at any time. We have successfully deleted NAT Gateway, but the state is deleting and it takes a little bit of time to delete it. Meanwhile, let's delete Internet Gateway. In the Internet Gateway window, select the correct Internet Gateway. It is easy because we specify the name test and VPC ID match with the ID from the clipboard, as we can see on the screen. We can't delete Internet Gateway straight away. First, we need to detach it and then delete it. From the Action drop-down menu, select Detach from VPC. We got a warning that after detaching the Internet Gateway resource in the VPC, we cannot communicate with the Internet. And we are good with that. Press the Detach Internet Gateway button. Surprisingly, we got the message detaching Internet Gateway unsuccessful and suggesting to unmap those public addresses first before detaching the gateway. Let's ignore the suggestion and repeat the procedure, detaching Internet Gateway again. And done, we have successfully detached Internet Gateway from the VPC. Now, We can delete Test Internet Gateway. We have a confirmation window. Type delete and submit it. We have successfully deleted Internet Gateway. Let's refresh the window. And there you go, no Test Internet Gateway now. The next step is to delete subnets from the VPC. Go to the subnet window and filter for subnets. Select Private Subnet B, and from the drop-down menu, find Delete Subnet. We have a confirmation window and type delete and submit it. We have successfully deleted the subnet. We need to repeat the steps for 3 more subnets. For public subnet A, for public subnet B, and for private subnet A. Double-check if we have deleted all subnets. The last step is to delete Test VPC. In the VPC window, select Test VPC, then from the drop-down action window, select Delete VPC. We can see from the Delete VPC window resources for deletion. It will be VPC with the warning that cannot be recovered later. 2 knuckles. And 4 root tables. Let's confirm deletion by typing delete and submitting it. We have successfully deleted Test VPC. In the tutorial, the systematic process of deleting a VPC and its components on the AWS console is thoroughly demonstrated. This video emphasizes the importance of following a specific deletion order, starting from NAT and Internet gateways, then subnets, and concluding with the VPC itself. This sequence ensures a seamless and error-free removal of all associated resources. Well done, gurus! Thank you for watching. This has been a very informative AWS mastery for you. But of course, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cloud insights. See you next time, gurus.